Does homeopathy help children with behavioral problems? That's the topic we'll discuss today. Parents, you may have a child who's aggressive, who does not listen to you, does not sit in one place for too long, does not finish his homework. You're constantly getting complaints, from school that the child is not sitting or is aggressive or not taking teachers' commands, etc., is not focusing, not writing, reading. Mind you, most parents tend to think that this is the behavior of the child, this is what the child is, his mind and his mental outlook is something that he was born with, and the child is intentionally not wanting to listen. However, this is not true. The child is actually probably suffering from a condition called ODD or ADHD. ODD means oppositional defiant disorder. Where oppositional defiant means basically they want to do everything opposite of what you tell them. They don't want to listen to you. They have a very strong mindset, so they won't listen to you. They'll do exactly things in the opposite way of what you expect children to do socially and in a normal environment. ADHD is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So here the child has lack of focus, constant complaints that he's not finishing his homework, not sitting for too long, running around from one place to another place. So the reason why this topic of behavioral problems is because a lot of parents come to us saying that the child is not behaving right, irrespective of however strict we are, we punish the child, we sometimes strike the child or hit the child, nothing is working. So you cannot be aggressive with these children, okay? You need to start treatment, and homeopathy is a fantastic line of treatment for such children. We, as specialists in this field, feel that every child, I would say more than 80% of children recover or start improving as we start homeopathy. Homeopathy is another line of treatment why parents prefer for such conditions, because it has no side effects. It can be taken as long as you want. There are no drug interactions. And slowly, gradually, it is able to change the mindset of a child and reduce aggression, improve focus, reduce impulsivity, and improve the behavior. Please start homeopathy. It will make a big difference to your child. Thank you.